कितना शेजवान चटनी और डोसा साथ में तुमने खाया, और इज दैट अलाउड?
एक्चुअली वो काफ़ी ट्रिकी था क्योंकि मुझे एक्शन करना था एंड आई हैड टू नॉट ईट अ लॉट, बट खा लिया मैंने थोड़ा सा.
हाँ. And also since it's Ching's secret and so many people are here for a secret, Sri Leela, हम आपसे एक कोई भी secret जानना चाहेंगे. Then I will tell them one which of course you told me backstage about the but I'll tell you. No, you tell me one secret.
क्या बोलूँ, आप क्या जानना चाहते हो?
नहीं, ये कभी ऑडियंस से कभी नहीं पूछा थी क्या जानना चाहते हो, क्योंकि it's over. वो तो बहुत कुछ जानना चाहते हैं. Alright, I have one for you. Sri Leela is, by the way, a doctor. आप लोगों को पता था ये बात? Yes. So that's a secret that there are a lot of people who didn't know that. Would you prescribe Ching's secret to us?
Ching's? I mean, I would probably have to if they want to add some spice to their lives.
Who doesn't in this city? Yes. Tell me how it was. This whole experience, like we're saying, it's going to be an ad. It's a world premiere that this audience gets to see first. How was it for you working with Atlee and Agent Ching?
Agent Ching, नहीं बहुत मज़ा आया मुझे, and I think ये obviously ad वाला feeling नहीं था because it was shot so grandly, and especially Atlee sir, I've been a huge fan of his work since his film Raja Rani, so that's been my favorite and I've always wanted to work with him, so हमने start किया CAD के साथ.
What a great film.
And Ranveer sir, I think मैं स्क्रीन पे देखी थी कि you know he has amazing energy, infectious energy, and मैं बहुत curious थी कि ऑफ स्क्रीन कैसे रहेंगे. And then I realized आते ही वो बस माहौल बन जाता था. तो I'm so glad that I got to do this with them.
माहौल बहन अब यहाँ पर भी बनने वाला है. You guys in a little bit, but before that, our gorgeous, very super talented Sri Leela के लिए जोरदार तालियां before we bring this together. And I feel like a किस्सा should happen with the audience. Let's do it this way.
किसिक है तो ठीक.
हाँ जी, किसिक. All right, let's do this. As always, Bobby, you have to tell us कि हर बार हम आपको देखते हैं आजकल and you are in a different room, a different avatar. What is it feeling like this space right now?
मैं बस खुश हूँ, मैं मेहनत कर रहा हूँ और मैं सही जगह पे पहुँच जाता हूँ, मुझे सही चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं. और क्या कहूँ, मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि चिंग का हिस्सा बनूंगा मैं, और अभी पता चला कि 10 साल से रणवीर इसकी ऐड कर रहे हैं. That's amazing. 10 साल, decade. Amazing. So I'm just happy कि मुझे श्री लीला और एटली के साथ काम करने को मिला और रणवीर के साथ मौका मिला.
Yes.
You know?
Yes. So it was a good experience. We're about to see. What are we about to see, sir? What are we about to see? आपका एक और अवतार होगा सबसे पहले.
वो तो मैंने भी नहीं देखा अभी तक, सिर्फ शूट किया.
Alright, I love it when you know the actor gets surprised himself. So thank you so much, Bobby Deol. Everybody, put your hands together.
Sri Leela, मेरी गलती हो गई. Sri Leela, I'm really sorry. I get confused sometimes, but I think. Sorry.
Thank you, Bobby. Thank you. Please, I'll ask you to wait on stage while we call the man behind the madness, the magician who has brought things to life, the man who said, "Bede se milne se pehle paak se baat kar." That one, the very same one who's bringing so much panache to our cinema. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for the one and only Atlee.
And this is my first ad film. Really, I'm very thankful to Ajay Gupta ji and Deepika ma'am for bringing Ching's to me. When they called for the first time and they checked with my team, I said, I don't think so, I have time. Then Ajay sir wanted to meet me. He met me, he didn't ask anything. After seeing him, I couldn't say anything to him. I said, yes sir, let's do it. So he's such a very godly mindset and a very calm guy. And then later I met Deepika ma'am. She's another level and such a sweet team. They brought a lot of stuff to me, and thanks to the team, and a special thanks to RS sir, Ranveer sir. He's an amazing guy. I can never say no to him, and he's so he's in one word I have to say Ranveer means it's entertainment. So I took it on my hand and I tried my level best. And God is so kind. Thank you. Thanks for this opportunity. I hope you all love it. Thank you.
All right, the masala and the madness before the entertainer comes in. Thank you, Director Sahab, for giving us this in advance. I believe it's an 8.5 minute banger. Yes? All right. So, are we ready? Are we ready for the next? I mean, what can I say about the next? Ab jinka yes is a good way to say it. Thank you for changing this into a pan-India banger, North ka masala, South ka madness. But now, before we show you the ad, which is pure fire, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've been waiting for is here. Kindly calm down. You are all Patakas, the face of this brand for over a decade, and in that time, he has not just represented it, he has redefined it. He has also defined performances in this decade. Chahe Hindi cinema mein Bajirao ho, Bajirao Mastani ho, Padmavat ho, Simba ho, Gully Boy ho, Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी हो या फिर अब Agent Ching हो. Sing is king, Sing is Ching, and Ching is Sing. Fiery, full of flavor, just like the brand itself. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready, because I think this place is about to explode. But you're in charge of it, ladies and gentlemen. Get those flags in the air for the king of spice, the one and only Ranveer Ching.